One of the most important things that you need to do while you are hunting for a job is to actually go ahead and generate your own leads. So leads basically are people who are interested to work with you to buy your products or your services. When you are hunting jobs, leads are those people who would be interested in hiring you. They are not ready to hire you, but they are interested, or they might be looking to hire you, or they might be looking to hire a candidate, right? Or they might need a candidate. You can also call them leads, right? So in this video we are going to learn how you can generate leads for yourself or your own job hunt. And yeah, let's get started. So here we are diving into the screen. Let me show you how I generate leads for myself, and these are some of the most bulletproof methods of generating leads for your business, right? So the very first place that I go to find leads is Facebook. Nobody would have imagined, right? Facebook is a great place to generate leads, and one of the best ways to find leads in Facebook is to go to Facebook groups. For example, let's say I want to write copywriting. If my niche is, let's say, email copywriting for e-commerce businesses, all right? So I'll just put e-commerce and I'll go to Facebook groups. So I'll find some groups. I'll try to find some private groups, right? So this is the e-commerce email marketing hub. Okay, so this is a proper group around this. And there is this one, learn e-commerce marketing is another one. There is digital dukandar. We have e-commerce funnel masters is another group. So we have a lot of groups here. So it's better to join private groups, not public groups. All right, so I'm here. So this is e-commerce email marketing. So go ahead and check it out, what other people are talking, right? So you're basically doing your own market research. Yeah, see right here, Faria Saeed in 1 November, she was looking for email marketing expert who is willing to offer him or her 50% on email marketing margins. Great, right? So we have to see if there are any more. So we can like keep on searching, and pretty interesting figures here. I would love to check it out later on, but cool. So we have certain strategy. So what you need to do is go ahead and check out what other people are posting. Basically in this particular groups, you have to check out what are other people's problems. All right, some people really asked for hiring, some people have questions about email marketing, right? So here we are. So she's having 3 different questions. So go ahead and solve this, because once you solve this question, there will be other people who would be interested in this very same question, and they will try and reach out to you. And this is how you can generate leads for yourself. You can get a lot of messages. So I have seen every time I send a message or a particular comment or I answer in such forums, I get tons of messages just like this, right? So these are basically people who are interested in either learning from you or working with you. All right, so these are leads that you can generate right from here. And all my freelancing clients, I have gathered them all through Facebook groups only. I have never even used the other tools so far. All right, then we have one more group like this, learn e-commerce marketing. So here we can check, I want to learn e-commerce marketing. So if you're a mentor or something, it can help, but it's not going to help in case of job hunt. But here we have Ajay is asking, how can I get GST for email business, e-commerce business without any shop and business, right? How many of you go business in Chennai? Okay, see, somebody is asking about puja items. Solve this problem. Even if Mukesh doesn't hire you, people who are interested definitely would be looking, they'd be happy to see your support here, right? So this is about Amazon service. So there is something about GST. Okay, so this is about Amazon listing, I think. Can I sell fresh vegetables? People see that my question was unanswered today. Surinder Rao is unhappy with that. Heavy and bulky products through FBA. So if you are into e-commerce, this might help. If you're looking for email marketing position in e-commerce, these questions may not help, but definitely they give you certain visibility, right? This is all about Amazon and Flipkart is what I can see. We don't have any such, so we can go to another one, e-commerce funnel masters. We have this Paul Spencer William is talking about some stuff. Question for marketers who work with designers. See, another question here. This is a great strategy, right? People are asking about this stuff. To rather look for questions that people keep asking. When you answer these questions, you basically gain the visibility, right? That's what you do. So your job is to gain visibility through through these groups. And what these people will do is they will reach out to you if they definitely need help. So see this one. Last night I tried several times to buy ClickFunnels for $297. Today I went and looked to buy. I can't find it. I thought it had till tomorrow 10 p.m. to make the purchase. Can you please help me? Again, somebody is asking for a question, right? So whenever somebody is asking questions, solve them, because they are your most valuable leads if they reach back to you. Would you like to have your webinar funnel set up and running in 7 days? Okay, this guy is pitching. Traffic secrets, a lot of stuff. Better look for questions like that. All right. So there is one more group that I personally joined, which is ClickFunnels. So there is one way you can do. What you can do is you can search for terms like "Can anyone help?" So when you search for terms like these, so you see, can anyone help building a very simple lead generation funnel with a landing page for an ebook, want to use LinkedIn ads and FB retargeting, right? So this is the kind of stuff you need to look out. If you answer this question, see, I'm pretty sure out of these 5 comments, a lot of people have not solved his answer. I highly recommend. See, so many pitches, just straight up sales pitches. Nobody is actually helping this guy. He's looking to build, but nobody has given him a solution. I would have rather given a step-by-step solution how he can build a lead generation funnel. All right. So this is how you help people in Facebook, and these people will reach back to you. So I might as well answer this question so that this guy gets some solution and also reaches back to me. Oh, I see a lot of engagement here. So cool. This is the Facebook method. The second method is AngelList, which we are going to discuss tomorrow, because this is something that is a little bit tricky. And AngelList is a great platform to hunt for jobs. Very less people actually learnt about this. Very few people are actually exploring AngelList. But what you can do is just have a look at angel.co and check out how you can use angel.co to find jobs. It's pretty easy. You just have to build an account and start applying for jobs, and you are pretty much good to go. But there is more to it in my own strategy that I'll be revealing tomorrow. All right. So for today, thank you very much for watching. Tata, bye bye, and see ya.